This improved trading strategy has an insanely high win rate. Thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm going to show you an improved trading strategy and test it out. Make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any of the important settings and how to take long and short trades. This strategy was shared by TraderEdge with a win rate of 73%. Let's see what our results will be. For this strategy to work, we're going to need two indicators. We're on Tesla on the 5-minute time frame. We're going to go to indicators up here. The first indicator we're going to pick, type in. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. Type in best holy grail, and it's the best holy grail indicator V3. Let's go into the settings up here. For the input tab, we're going to change the HLC3 to HL2. We're going to put the responsiveness to 4, and we're going to put the smart baseline to 1. This is what your settings should look like. The second indicator we're going to choose, go up to indicators again. It's this super trend oscillator by Lux Algo. We're going to change some settings in this as well. Go to the settings. The only settings we're going to change on this is remove lines and remove labels. For the Holy Grail indicator with the green and the blue lines, I'm going to change the blue line to red so it is a lot easier to see. You can also change the background as well if you want. So now I'm going to show you how to take a trade. For a sell trade, we want the green and red line to cross so that the red line is now above. We want to wait for the candle close to make sure that it's locked in. And on the oscillator down below, we have to make sure that there is a red histogram bar. It has to be below this white line here, which is the 80 level. Both of these white lines are 80 levels, but the red histogram has to be below that. For example, this one here wouldn't count because it's still inside this blue band. So we could enter a sell trade on the close of this candle here, so the start of this candle. But our stop loss to the recent swing high and target 1.5 times the risk. There we go. So we can see straight away after that sell trade for a buy, we want the green and red line to cross again, but this time we want to make sure that the green is now above for a buy. You can see that crosses here, but the histogram is still red, so we make sure that we wait. And then on this candle here, we have a green histogram spike that is above the 80 level here. We can take our entry. So the close of this candle, the start of this new one here, but our stop loss to the recent swing low, and then we're going to target 1.5 times the risk again. So I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using the backtester on TraderEdge. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content and want to see the results. I've now backtested this strategy 100 times using the backtester on TraderEdge. We had an initial account balance of $5,000. And over 100 trades, we did a 115% increase on the account with 71 wins and 29 losses. And we took the account from $5,000 to $10,751. This is a very nice win rate to see, and I believe it is the highest on the channel. TradeIQ had a slightly higher win rate of 73, but it is only 2% less, so it is still pretty accurate. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.